hot seat. This is one of the best vocabulary activity. This is one of the vocabulary activity. Speaking, listening skills are there. How to play. Split the class into two teams or more if you have a large class. Elect one person from each team to sit in the hot seat, facing the classroom with the board behind them. I split two teams in my class. Write a word on the board. One of the team members of the student in the hot seat must help the student guess the word by describing it. They have a limited amount of time and cannot say, spell or draw the word, only describing it. Continue until each team member has described a word to the student in the hot seat. This is the best hot seat game. Thank you.